exactly.
You're cleared hot to blow up the blue bongo, over.
And you're clear whenever you're ready. Get line of sight. There you go. You're in zoom already, and whenever you're ready, you're clear. Alright, Roger. Away. Good impact. Good impact. Target destroyed. Roger. Rolling.
He's got something black right there.
He's kind of hunker down.
He's got some right across his lap there, sir.
Roger,
see that?
see that?
Yeah. See that?
I do.
They do have weapons. And Hard Rock 6, Viper 6-6, we will be engaging, sir. They also have bandoliers. I say again, we will be engaging.
Roger, break.
Here's one.
Go. Fire, sir.
Roger.
Engage. I'm braking towards the power factory.
Yeah, Roger, I'm over top of you. You're coming underneath me. Turning inbound.
I'm down low. You're clear to engage. When I turn back inbound, I will not, I'll get you in sight.
Alright, Mike, engaging. Okay.
Roger, Viper 4647, and we'll be pushing 602. Repeat, we'll be pushing 620.
Alright, find a target. Up there, right.
And I got you in sight.
One more. Okay.
Alright, I am braking left.
Hard Rock 6, Roger. Stand by.
Don't keep advised so we can get them away from population area. Over. What are you guys seeing around there? Is it not really close? I'm just cross-checking now and then. Is it really close to the freaking population?
They're about 50 meters from a quad now.
Can you confirm the grid of their current location? Also, approximate distance to the nearest Kalat.
Yeah, about 50 meters from any Kalat. How far? 50 meters.
What's the approximate distance to the nearest Kalat? Over.
Roger, closest Kalat is a 200 meters. Maybe catch them in the middle of that. Shouldn't be any collateral. I don't think we're going to have any collateral if we go along the road. We're observing them walking far We are clear to engage, over. We'll follow that road inbound to reduce collateral damage. Be advised, we're going to get set up on a good inbound run to completely eliminate any collateral damage. Clear fire.
Pause of gun and firing.
Shoot again. One more.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 guys. 2 guys running down the water. Clear fire.
Clear fire. We're engaging.
Alright, he's sneaking out to the road.
Looks like he's tiptoeing out to the road, sneaking. Now he's down in a hole again.
That's definitely not easy in place to team.
Oh yeah, I'm just going to see what else he does, just to build our case, and then we're going to lead off with Hellfire, follow up with 30 millimeter. Left and right break, I'll call out my gun target line.
Hey, Roger, we currently have eyes on 3 individuals. 2 of them still in the hole. One looks like he's facing to the west, 1 to the east, and 1 in the hole.
Okay, Roger, what we're going to do is we're going to wait till he goes back to his buddies, and then we'll try to hit them all.
Good copy.
Yeah, it looks like they got Overwatch position. That's where he came from.
Be advised, we're going to engage these individuals. Currently observed 1 individual. He's back out of the hole right now. Looks like he's placing something heavy in there.
He's running a wire.
We're engaging. Alright, we're going to...
Roger, I back you up. I believe it is an ID in place to team. And we do have the hotspot road.
Roger, it's on you. If you can get PID, you're clear to go ahead and shoot.
Okay. Roger, we have everything we need. These guys are in place. We just watched them run a wire.
Alright, roger that. Yeah, got Mr. Waz.
Roger, rolling in. Roger. Rolling in.
Have you inbound. We'll back you up with gun. These quarters kind of going back to the whole time now as well.
Hit the guy on the road. Hit the guy on the road.
Roger, hitting the guy on the road.
We're hitting the guy on the road. You guys got the guy on the side.
Roger.
Okay.
Clear to fire. You're clear to fire.
Waz and gun.
Roger. Roll.
And fire.
Hold on.
Sorry.
That's fine. Go try to acquire the buddies.
And firing. Clear.
Sparrow 1 ready to go. Radio Sparrow 1. Alright, good on back. 0, 0, enter out, zone 0, 9. Stop. Sparrow 1, understand you. Roger, Viper 5-5, we're off of zone 4. Alright, you ready?
Yeah, Roger, hit him now.
200, looking for an update and see where you guys are working. Roger, Lighthorse 1-3 and also Viper 5-3 currently over on the border between 308 and 202, working in engagement.
Roger, clear fire.
Roger, I'm putting another person in the van.
Good hits. Whoa, secondaries. We got good secondaries on that one. Probably the fuel tank.
Yep. I got good range, good limits. I'll zoom and prepare to fire.
You're cleared fire.
Firing.
Lighthorse 7 for ready to take conversation.
This is the way. Good impact. Breaking range.
This was off.
Roger, for feature.
That was a Fox model.
That was a Fox model.